if you want to take a macro photo on a Realme GT 8 Pro, then in that case, what you need to do is you need to simply use the photo mode, point at the object that you want to take a picture of, and then you need to use the zoom. We need to move further away, as we can even find the instruction at the top, in order to, of course, keep the image in a clear. It should be like pretty sharp in order to be able to do so. So as you can see, if we keep the distance quite high, and as long as we do not exceed like certain amount of zoom, then we should be able to capture a pretty decent macro photo like this. We can even see that this flower activates, which is the dedicated macro mode. So then we can do something like that. You can try to, of course, use the macro without it, or, well, if you actually try to do so, then as you can see, it won't work because the focus is just simply gone. And it seems that the macro mode is available from 3x, but we have to keep the distance, and you might need to actually move the camera. I mean, you might need to actually use a little bit more zoom, but try to not exceed the, I believe, the 9x actually zoom over here. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.